Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, today I'm going to be cooking the frozen version of our eldest son's favourite food. So he's absolutely loved doing lots of sampling during recipe testing of this, and that is air fryer frozen lasagna. He absolutely loves lasagna. I would say he loves it more than Garfield, and he would eat it every day given the chance. So I'm going to show you now just how easy it is to cook the lasagna from frozen in the air fryer. And of course you can adjust this for other favourite ready meals that you're cooking from frozen that are of a similar size. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. So now let's dive into our air fryer frozen lasagna. Obviously, the first thing to consider is to make sure that your box will fit in an air fryer. If you look at ours, it fits in the box, and that's without taking the packaging off, so you know it's going to be a good fit once in there. And of course, the recipe time and temps and everything else is over on RecipeThis.com if you wanted to print out the recipe card instead. So, first things first, get rid of all this packaging. It amazes me how much the cling film or cellophane or whatever you call it comes off and gets stuck. So you just want to make sure that every last bit's off. I've still got some around here. There we go, I've got it all off now. So then simply, easy as it sounds, oh, a bit more there, place it in the air fryer basket, and then you're looking at setting the time and temp. You're looking at taking the temperature all the way down to 100 Celsius. The reason for this is because you want to start the defrost process so that it's not just cooking straight away and ending up overcooking. So start with 100 Celsius for 10 minutes, and then we're going to up the temperature and time. So we've done our first 10 minutes. Let's check on the lasagna. And as you can see, the lasagna is coming along nicely. So now what we do is we increase the temperature and the cook time to just finish your lasagnas off. So place your lasagna back in, and you want to turn it on. Unfortunately, unlike the fillets, the sorry, if it gets the slightest bit greasy, the time and temp pad don't work very well. So you want a temperature of 165 Celsius. I think that's about 330 to 335 in Fahrenheit. Of course, the proper time and temps over on RecipeThis.com. And then for the cook time, we're going, see what I mean? It doesn't like this. We're going all the way up to 26 minutes. And then we're pressing start. Unfortunately, because I'm talking, it kind of thinks that you've already finished setting the time and temp. So if you were doing it for real at home, it would be a bit quicker than that. Beep. And we've beeped. So let's check on that lasagna, shall we? And wow, doesn't that lasagna look fantastic? Oh, Kyle, what are you missing? That's a message to our eldest son, because he's the video editor and he goes absolutely crazy for lasagna. But we've been really good parents because we had a spare one at home, so I left one out for him as well. So then, let's get a towel so that I don't burn myself getting it out of the air fryer basket. And as you can see, they just cook so perfectly in these freezer containers. And like I say, you could do it with any of your favourite ready meals. I'm thinking some other pasta dishes, you know, your frozen spag balls, another good one. Cannelloni is another one of my favourites as well, the one with the spinach in. They'd all be lovely cooked this way. So I'm going to go from the middle just to make sure it's piping hot, which I can feel from the heat coming out that it definitely is. And that is hot. You know, I just think you've just beaten how long it takes in the oven doing it in the air fryer. I worried if that would be the case because of the thickness of the lasagna and the way an air fryer cooks. But if you think 36 minutes in the air fryer altogether, you know, your 10-minute defrost and then your cook time, and then you compare that to the oven, and on the containers it actually says 45 minutes in the oven, so you're reducing it by just 9 minutes, which is nice, and it gives it a lovely bubbly top. So it's totally up to you if you want to try air fry frozen lasagna. I love it, and it's now over to you. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.